Hi guys, very good afternoon. I'm just going to post on the WhatsApp number so that if you need to place an order or if you want to know more details, you can directly DM us on this number. And this is a brand new number, of course, updated number. I'm just going to post that. Okay, so this is our new WhatsApp number, or you can contact us at this number as well, which is 6289. I'm just going to pin this so that it will be easier for you as well. Okay, so the number is 6289596105. This is our new WhatsApp number, and if you want to know more details or if you want to place an order, you can contact on this number. And if you have any queries or related question, you may ask on this number. Hi Prabha, hi Tabu, hi Rosa. Hope you all are doing well. What is the price you wore? We'll come to that. Aram se, no worries. So how's everything going? How's everyone doing? Which will be out soon, which is in mid of September. And there is a surprise for Bangalore people, for those who know, for those who doesn't. So anyways, now as you all know, ki Varamahalakshmi Puja is already arrived, almost 16th August square. So for that we have a special live offers which will be going on, and special with the special prices, of course. So let's start with the very first one. I'm going to show you. This is a very grand new piece that I have just arrived, and we have also showed on our exhibition as well, and people really love the collection of this, especially with the orange one. So I'm going to start with the mala. So as you all can see, this is a very different and cute as well. The color of this beads, or this is a rust orange color. And yeah, just have a look for this one. So this is the orange mala with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and the stones that have been used on this as a pendant is polki with a drop of cream pearls. As you all can see, this is a drop of cream pearls, and this is the orange mala. So the lines that have these, it's 5 lines, and this is how it looks. I'm just going to show you how the whole thing looks apart from it, so you all can focus on the details of this mala. This is how the orange mala looks like, and it's very pretty, like it's so pretty. So you all can see this is a mala with the pendant, with a drop of cream pearls, and price for this mala is only 5,000. You all can see this, right? The 5 lines of beads and 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Price is only 5,000 for this necklace mala. So for those who are looking for a gift purpose or want to wear it on their festive occasion, or if you're buying for Varamahalakshmi Puja, you all can definitely purchase this. And this is the ready to dispatch item. So if you're liking this item, or if you want to know more details like making charge or weight, such etc., you all can take a screenshot and DM us on our WhatsApp number that I've posted down. Either you can WhatsApp us or you can straight away DM us on our Instagram page. Works either both of it. Just take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this mala, which is just 5,000, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. And this is ready to dispatch item if you want a delivery in 2 to 3 days. This will be dispatched today if you are placing an order by today. 5,000 is the price for this mala. And in case if you want some customization, like if you want customization in purple or maybe pink, red, green or blue, so the price will be same, but the customization will take 20 days because it goes with the making process. So that's all. Also, if you have any queries, you may ask on the live, we'll answer it. So this is This was all about the orange mala. Price was 5,000. Now we'll move ahead with the necklace, which has two tikras side by side. I'm going to show you. It's very pretty, and it's green necklace, of course. So this is how it looks. This is green necklace with side tikra. One in right and second one is in left. So you all can see this, right? So pretty, like the color of the greenish is so ravishing, and I'll show you the back of this side as well. It's given with the dolly. So this is how it looks. Let's just focus on the tikra. So tikra means this side two pendants that we have it on the necklace. So this is how the tikra looks, and it's very pretty also. Price for this necklace is only 12,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order, or if you want to know more details. Price is only 12,500, and if you want any customization with this, if you want in red color, maroon color, or maybe blue color, or if you want in pink, something like baby pink color also, customize. Can you customize in lavender bees instead of orange? So you were asking about this, right? This one? Yes, we do customize. And if you don't want orange beads, you want lavender beads, which is lilac. It's a little lighter color than a lavender, so we can do that as well. And if you're looking for a customization in this one, then please take a screenshot and DM us on this WhatsApp number that I've posted down, which is 6289596105, or you can straight away DM us on our Instagram page. So for those who are looking for customization for this one, प्लीज़ टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. आप DM कर सकते हो हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे फॉर कस्टमाइजेशन, एंड विल रिप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल जस्ट आफ्टर द लाइव. And price will be same. Price for this is 5,000, so price for that customization will be the same, 5,000. So yeah, now we're very okay. So let's get back to this necklace. This is green necklace with the two side tikras, and the stones are polki with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. And price is only 12,500. So if you want customization with this necklace, something like red, pink, blue, or the color of the choker that I'm wearing, this is also a deep red color, so it will be done. 12,500 is the price for this necklace. Now we'll move ahead with the next one, which is the ring, and I'm wearing that. And yeah, it's very affordable. So for those who are watching the live, don't miss this. So this one is the leaf ring, and this is totally adjustable. As you all can see, I can wear it on any finger I want, wherever I want, and you can give this to whoever you want, because you have no tension of the size and all. And I think my preference is always adjustable, because for the gifting purpose, you never know कि उसका क्या size है, if not, and you're always confused about the size thing. So I'll better tell you to go ahead with the adjustable thing. So this one is the perfect choice to make. This is green leaf ring with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this is adjustable. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order, or if you want any customization, we'll do it. But 20 days dispatch time is necessary, because this will be in making process. So I'm just going to show you so you all can see the details for this ring. Also, अगर आपको कोई customization चाहिए हो, and maybe if you don't want in green, if you want in pink, red, blue, or maybe just white, so it will be the same price. Also, price for this ring is only 7,000. So I repeat, the price is only 7,000 for this ring that I'm wearing. And this is adjustable. Usually adjustable ring थोड़े expensive होते हैं regarding in gold and all, but we have made in the best rate and the best weight. and this is according to the current gold rate. So 7,000 is the price for this gold leaf earring. And if you want to place an order, you can take a screenshot of this and send us on our Instagram page or the number that I have posted down. Now next I'm going to show you a very pretty earring which is in pink beads, and pink is always my favorite, so I always go ahead with the pink. I'll just show you this pink one. So girly, but it's never like old fashioned. So this is a pink stone earring which is in the flower pattern, and the stone you all can see, it's a drop of the beads. I'm just going to show you how this look on me. This is how the pink earring looks, which is in flower pattern, and I'm just gonna show you how the whole thing exactly looks like. This is how it looks, and this has got a Bombay screw. So yeah, this has a Bombay screw, you all can see. You can just focus on this earring itself to show you. This is the pink stone flower earring with the drop of pink beads, and price for this earring is only 6,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this one. 6,500 is the price for this flower earring with the drops of pink beads, and it's a very pretty color. The pink itself is a very pretty color, and yes, for those who are looking for a gift purpose, if you want to give this to your daughter, your special ones, definitely go ahead with this. 6,500 is the price for this earring, and this is budget friendly, which comes with the BIS hallmark. So somebody asked for the price for that ring, so I'm just going to repeat that again for those who have just missed it. So this ring that I'm wearing is the gold green leaf ring, and this is adjustable totally, and price for this is 7,000, which comes with the BIS hallmark. So I hope I'm cleared with this. Now we'll move ahead with the another one, which is in Swarovski stone, and this has been selling like a crazy. You will not believe, हम लोगों को इतने orders आ रहे हैं with the Swarovski ring with many customization, maybe in the stone, in red, pink, or anything. So this is just best selling till now. So I'm just going to show you. This is the Swarovski green stone ring, which is an emerald green stone, and the stones are Swarovski with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this has got Bombay screw. So I'm just going to show you how this thing looks like. This is the earring, you all can see, right? This is the earring, and I'm just going to show you how this fits. This is how it looks, and this has got Bombay screw, so it's very easy to wear, no? This is how it looks. This is how medium size it is. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's medium. So this is perfect choice and the perfect size. This is how it looks. So again, I'm just going to show you how the total thing. This is in Swarovski earring with the green stone. We also have it in blue stone. I'm going to show you that as well. Red bhi tha, but red is sold out. So if you want red, that will be made on order. But again, 20 days dispatch time. So I'm just going to show you the blue one. This is the blue one. Again, this is again a perfect color. I'll just show you again. This is the blue one, and I'm going to show you this as well. This is how it looks. The blue one, and this is the green one, right? And price for this Swarovski earring is only 12,500. So which is very affordable with the range, with the stone, with the weight, and overall the beauty of this earring. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order, or if you want any customization with this, to 12,500 is the price for this Swarovski green earring. अगर आपको ब्लू में चाहिए, ब्लू में तो रेडी है. एंड इफ़ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस ग्रीन कलर, दिस इज़ रेडी टू डिस्पैच एंड विल डिस्पैच इट टुडे इफ़ यू आर प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर बाय टुडे. Okay, now next we have this. Okay, next we have this red jari choker that I'm wearing, and it's very pretty in color, of course. Anybody can wear this. It's not just कि brides ही पहन सकते हैं red. This is a very default, of course. Anyone can wear this, and as all can see, this is the red jali choker I'm wearing with the pearls, and with the tikras we have this in flower tikras. Total tikras on this choker is 4. 2 side on the left side and 2 side on the right side. And the bottom we have got this big size pendant piece, which is surrounded by the pearls. So it's very pretty choker, and it's a very royal piece as well. So if you want to purchase this choker that I'm wearing, price is only 35,000. So you all can take a screenshot of the choker if you want to purchase this. And अगर आपको customization भी करानी हो, so we'll do that. Just take a screenshot of the choker. 35,000 is the price for this red choker. And अगर आपको इसके matching the earrings चाहिए, if you want matching earrings with that, we'll do that. Of course, we have a lot of earrings which will definitely match with it. And in case if you want something like exact like with the pendant of this one, this big, that will be done. So 35,000 is the price for this choker, and this is in 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So this is all this. Now next we have this in 18 karat gold, and this is in Lord Hanumanji pendant. It's very beautiful. I'm just going to show you. This is the Hanumanji pendant, Lord Hanumanji pendant in 18 karat with BIS hallmark. So the hallmark has been given at the back of the pendant, so you can easily see that. This is the Lord Hanumanji pendant in 18 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and at the back we have given this hook, so you can definitely add any chain you want. आप कोई भी चेन के साथ इसको पहन सकते हो. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गिफ्ट पर्पस, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू गिफ्ट योर समवन स्पेशल, योर मॉम और डैड और एनीवन, सो दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट चॉइस. एंड ये 18 कैरेट में, अगर आपको ये 14 कैरेट में चाहिए, सो विल मेक इट एन ऑर्डर. Rest price for this 18 karat gold with Lord Hanumanji pendant is only 19,500. So I repeat, price is only 19,500 for this Hanumanji pendant. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this Hanumanji pendant. We have several designs for the pendant. Something we have in pearl. We also had in Ganeshi, Ganpati pendant. We also have Lakshmi pendant as well. So if you want something like a religious pendant or in God pendant like that, you can DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. Now I show you another one which is in Swarovski stone, and this is in blue stone, sapphire blue stone. So this is how it looks. This is 14 karat gold Swarovski in sapphire blue stone. I repeat. I'm just going to show you how this looks like, and this comes with the Bombay screw. Just going to show you. So this is how it looks, and this gives you that very chic look or the party wear look if you're looking for. And like this is, आप इसको कभी भी पहन सकते हो. You can wear this like anywhere. You can wear this. You can style them with an ethnic outfit or with a western outfit, with any outfit you want. This is very pretty, and of course this is sapphire blue stone. The name itself called as a crown, so why not? This is how it looks. Sapphire blue stone Swarovski stone earring in 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this earring. And price for this is only 24,000. So So 24,000 is the price for this earring. Now we'll move ahead with the ring, and basically this is a customer order which we are showing it on live. If she or he is watching it, then it's for you as well, and for others who can see, like, this is the orders that we do customize. So this is our customer's order, this one in 14 karat gold, which is in solitaire as well, and the stones are Swarovski stone in 14 karat gold. So this is of course not my size, this is my customer size, but still I'm wearing it and I'm showing it on the live, so you all can see this. The size is 27, and this has been made on order. This is how it looks. ये पूरा ही solitaire ring है with Swarovski stone, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. And whatever size you have, if your size is 18 or 15 or maybe 20, then we'll make it on order and 20 days dispatch time. I'm just going to show you how this ring is actually, how it actually looks like. This is how the ring looks like. It's very pretty, and the elegance has been defined purely in this. Why? Because this gives it a dazzling effect. Like, you can wear this at any time, any daytime, evening time, night time. Because the reason why, because this has Swarovski stones, of course. The diamonds come to nahi, of course, but this is a very perfect blend of elegance and the beauty of this stones. So I'm just going to show you again. And so the price for this ring is only 19,500, which was made on customer's order, on customer demand. अगर आपको ऐसे कोई भी कस्टमाइज करवानी हो, be it a ring, be it a choker, necklace, and if you have those references, if you have saved those as a wish list somewhere, you can send this on our Instagram page or the number that is posted on as a pinned comment. So this is our customer's order. 19,500 is the price for this, and if you want exactly same like this, for this you have to wait for 20 days because this will be made on order. Okay. Next we have Rakhi, and Rakhi is just around the corner, and we have something very special for those who are looking for something like very cute and who also want gold in it with some stone, Swarovski stone. So this is for those someone very special for your bhai, of course. I mean, यहाँ पर भाई लिखा हुआ है, so this is the भाई Rakhi. And if you want to replace the bhai with bro or your brother's name, so we can do it. We'll do that. This is also our customer's order who have just designed the same. She actually sent this to a reference picture. She wanted exactly same like that, and we have made exactly same like that. So this is our customer's order. Bhai Rakhi. You all can see this more close look. The Bhai Rakhi with 14 karat gold with Swarovski stone. You all can see this, and it's very pretty. Also, price for this Rakhi is only 2,000. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. 2,000 is the price for this Rakhi, and we have several more Rakhis. And if you are looking for a Rakhi, then kindly DM us. We have a lot of designs over there, and we'll send you all the designs. But if you are looking for a customization thing, like she actually ordered 15 days back, and she'll be receiving now. So you have to wait for like 15 to 20 days dispatching. So okay, now we'll show you very perfect mala that does not exist ever, but it does now. And this is a very special har mala, and this is why it's called royal piece and the royal necklace. This one, so all can see this. I hope the video is very clear and my voice is audible. If not, then you can comment. So this is the har mala, which is perfect for grand occasion, festive occasion, or for the bridal look. So this, you see this royal necklace with the green beads and white beads. Also, this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So I'm just going to show you the each and every details of this हार माला. So first of all आप देख सकते हो यहाँ से पूरा cream pearls है attached with the gold and beads. The multicolor stone as well, we have it here. And the layers of beads as well. So यहाँ पर 5 lines here, the 5 lines of beads, which is rectangle like this, and you all can see it, right? This is a har mala, and this is why we call a royal har necklace. So this is the reason, and I always wanted to show you it on the live. We also have posted this on a reel as well, and this is how it looks. So if you want any customization with this one, you can straight away DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted now. Price for this is only 42,500. So I'm just going to show you the back of this har mala as well. Dori has been given at the back, and this is how it looks. Oops, sorry, it's fine. Okay, this is how it looks. 42,500 is the price for this har mala. तो अगर आपको कस्टमाइज़ करानी हो, we'll customize it in any of your choice and preferences. Now next we have this green necklace, which is very beautiful, remnants, and what all the designs and beads are perfect. So this was what I was talking about. This is a green necklace, the big size of pendant piece. Show you how it looks. Also the back we've got this Dori, so it's perfect as well. Price, okay, so price for this necklace, when I'm holding it, so this green necklace consists of 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and इसकी price है 62,000. Price for this necklace is 62,000, which comes with this whole pendant thing. So आपको पूरा ये सब कुछ benefit मिल जाएगा because of a big size pendant and green necklace, which is very pretty as well. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, or if you want any customization, like if you want to replace this green stone beads with the pink one or white one, or maybe the red one as well. Price is only 62,000 for this necklace. So I hope you all are taking a screenshot in case if you want to place an order. And so इसकी price is 62,000, and अगर आपको customize करवानी हो, if you want to customize also, we'll do it without any hesitation. But you have to wait for like 15 to 20 days dispatch time, which usually takes for like customization or the product is not ready. Alright, now the last but not the least, of course, this flower earring with a drop of tangle ball, and I'm just going to show you that. This is the one that I'm talking about, the flower earring with the tangle shape. And this comes with the Bombay screw. So I'm just going to show you so that you all can see what's the size it is and how it fits. So this is how it looks, and it's damn pretty, of course. Why the color of this earring? It's in pink ruby stone, and it's the flower pattern, so definitely goes. Even though I'm wearing the choker now, this goes well with my choker also. Like, I'll just show you how this thing looks. In total, you're getting all set. Just ignore the tag, of course. So this is how it looks, which also comes with the pink red stone. This is how the earring looks, and it's very pretty, of course, which comes with the Bombay screw. And price for this is only 8,000. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. और अगर आपको कोई भी कस्टमाइज़ करवानी हो, we'll do it. अगर आपको ये ग्रीन कलर में चाहिए, इफ़ यू डोंट वांट दिस पिंक वन और द रेड वन, यू कैन रिप्लेस इट विद द ग्रीन वन ऑल्सो. So yeah, 8,000 is the price for this earring. I'll show you again. Take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this earring. So 8,000 is the price for that. Alright guys, do you have any queries or such that I'll just clear it on the live. और आप लोग मुझे शॉपिंग कर लोगे for the Varamahalakshmi, and if you haven't, you still have the time. You can purchase this anytime if you want. And all the pieces that I've showed you, all those are ready to dispatch. And if you're looking something like more beautiful or more something out of your budget or under your budget, you can definitely send us a screenshot of for those by exploring us through our reel section, or we'll send you a whole catalog of under 5k budget earring. We also have a catalog of under 5k earrings, so if you are looking for something under 5k or under 10k, then we'll send you all those things. So anyways guys, thanks a lot for joining the live, and for the next time we'll update you through our stories. Till then, have a nice day, and a very special note for those जिन्होंने miss out कर लिया live, you can check the live from the beginning because we'll post this live on our feed. So show me once all the pieces please. Okay, I'll show you each and every pieces. So again, for those who have missed the live, you can check this. This is the orange mala, and price is only 5,000. Now the next piece, I'll show you the green necklace with the side tikra that we have. Price is only 12,500. Now next we have this. I'm just showing you as a recap so that if you have missed it, you can see this again. So next third one we have it in leaf earring, and price for this ring is only 7,000, which is also adjustable. Now we have the other one in pink stone earring, which is again our customer order as well. So I'm just going to show you. This is a pink stone earring. Sorry for this. Okay. This is a pink stone earring. And price for this is only 6,500. Now next we have this Swarovski green earring, which also we have a similar one in blue. And price for this is only 12,500. I'll just show you the blue one as well. This is the blue one. 12,500 is the price. And the other one that I'm wearing is this choker, the Jali choker. And of course, price is only 35,000 for this Jali choker with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Now next we have this Hanuman pendant in 18 karat gold. I'm sure you explore that anyways. This is a Hanuman pendant, and which is in 18 karat gold. Price is only 19,500. Okay. Now next we have this Sapphire blue stone Swarovski earring. Price is only 24,000. 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Next, this is a customer order Swarovski ring. This is of course not my size, it's a customer's order, so that's her size. And price is 19,500, and size of this ring is 27. So this is 19,500 for this ring. And this is not adjustable, this is for your size. Now next we have this Bhai Rakhi, which is also a customer's order, involved with the Swarovski stone. Price is only 2,000. Now next we have this Har Mala, which is the Royal Har Mala we called it. Price is only 42,500. So take a screenshot if you are looking for something like this. Heavyweight. 42,500 is the price for this. And next we have this green necklace. I'll just show you this as well. This is green necklace with the 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. The big size pendant, and price is only 62,000. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. 62,000 is the price for this one. In case if you're looking for a customization thing, you can send a screenshot for those items, or if you have any products such that in your saved wish list, you can definitely send us that as well. Okay, now the next one we have the last one. I'll show you. This one is in flower pink stone earring, which is a dangle earring, and price is only 8,000. So I think I have showed you a recap again. For those who have again missed it, or if you want to see in Deepa, hi Deepa. If you want to see it like more lively, अगर और अच्छे से देखना है, if you want to know more price, more details, you can watch it through the beginning as well, because we are going to post this video on our feed. So yes. Anyways, thank you guys for joining the live. For the next live, we'll update you through our stories. Till then, have a nice day ahead.